In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to easily delete your Gmail account. Let's get started. First, launch your Google browser. Then make sure you are signed in with the account that you want to delete. Click on the profile icon. Select the option Manage your Google account. Once you're in this page, here you're going to find this search box. Type in delete. You will get two options, delete your Google account or delete a Google service. Select the option delete your Google account. After clicking it, you might be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. Once you complete that, you will be directed to this page. Here you're going to find all the details. You'll see a page where you can download your data if needed. You can go through this, then scroll all the way down, checking for these options, then click on delete account, and that's it. Your account will be permanently removed. So this way you can easily delete your Gmail account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.